chicken.
Parang chicken lang daw yan.
Oh, parang chicken.
Ayun na guys, nakapila na siya.
Tingnan ko nga guys kung kaya ba niya order. Ganun. Pinapractice ko na siya dito guys. Kaya yung pinakuha ko ng mga order. Diba? Mga kami guys, marami palang tao sa laking hindi. Dami pala. Yeah, we just walang boot eh. Walang boot dito tayo. Occupied lahat ng boat. Ayan na guys. Itutour ko kayo dito sa sa pagkainan. Marami siyang Ito masarap to na. Pwede ka magpagawa ng pansit dito first. Tingnan mo muna kung anong gusto. Ayan, meron siya. Paborito mo yan. Ito the best yan. Dumpling, mga ganon. Mga Korean. Dito naman, pwede ka magpaluto ng mga noodles. At saka may salad din sila dito. Ayun ang salad nila. Paluto ka dito, 2 pieces chicken. Yung ganong moment. Pag gusto mo yung fried noodle, ganon ang gusto mo. Mga noodles. Gusto mo paluto? Ayan na. Paluto tayo. And then, yeah, kukuha ka ng plato doon. Ayan. Plato. Tayo nang gusto yung maraming option dito. Ayan, ang plato niya. Tapos may mga sushi. Dito mga sushi. Dito muna ako. No, I love. Ha?
California.
Dito, ito yung gusto ko. Paborito ko talaga to. The best one. Yan, this is the best.
Ito masarap to doon.
Yung sauce, kukuha din tayo neto. Lagyan natin ng konting ganito. Hawakan mga anak. Lang na nga yan. Ayan, lagyan mo yan dyan. May sauce naman yan doon. At saka gusto ko ito. Konting ganito. Akin na nga yan.
Guys, tingnan nyo.
Tingnan yung kain. Ayan, and then kukuha din ako ng puting. Ito. This is the best octopus. Yeah, and then yes, and then yep, that's it. So this is my first batch. And then her is rice, chicken, yeah. There you go, let's eat. Eat. This is dumpling.
Bang siomai.
Cheers! Anong kakainin ko dito? Ito, try natin itong, ano yan? Orange chicken, honey chicken. Did you try the honey chicken, right? Is it good? Matamis? I just get one. What is that? I'll try this one. Rice noodles. Just a little bit, please. I wanna try everything. Oh yeah, shrimp. Oh my. Yeah, can I have this one for 1 piece? Just 1 piece. I just try it. 2, make it 2 pieces. Oh, shrimp. I love shrimp. And then, yeah, I don't know. Just try the clam. Clam 2 pieces. 1 and 2. So just do 2 each. Oh wow, there's a banana. Cute na. What is this?
Banana yan.
Oh my god, that
Banana
is
yan?
banana.
Ito yung... Isa lang.
Isa lang.
Palit. Pagkataba.
Oh my God, this is frog leg. And this is very challenge on me, guys. No.
Guys, ito try niya. Try
No,
mo lang isa.
no.
This
Oh my
is
God.
challenge ba? Mag-subscribe kayo.
No,
Ito,
that is
ito,
frog
ito.
leg. Guys, this is frog leg. Oh my God, meron ng frog leg pala sa first season. No, no. Just you.
Ikaw lang natin. Dali
No,
mo na.
just you. I'm gonna take a video for you that. Oh, I love Gucci. I really love Gucci.
Anong naman yan? Chocolate?
Not chocolate.
One lang.
One. Oh, you're gonna do the frog leg challenge.
No.
Oh my God, I try all the fried food. Just one. So, I just wanna try. Chicken. What, you want chicken wing?
One.
Ha?
One lang.
Yes. Kumakain isa. Yeah, I have a lot of food now.
Ano to, ma'am?
That's very good.
Yeah.
Yeah, try it the one. Matt love it then. I want something over here too. Oh yeah, I love it. This is the best. I don't know why I love doing like something chewy. It's my favorite. What is this? I want something fish. Oh my God. Oh no, this is a lot. Go fish. Beef. You want some beef? Yeah, just get one piece each. Yeah, this is my last meal, like one last and then dessert. Why you are in diet?
Yeah, I'm on diet because look at my arms. Tilang.
Guys, I let her to try the frog leg challenge. Oh my God, I can't. No, get this one. Try it. This is the frog challenge. Look at that. Yee, the frog.
Parang chicken lang daw yan.
Oh, parang chicken kaya. No.
Yeah, because
How is it? How's that?
Wait lang. Oh my God. First time ko mag-frog.
Never in my life.
Try mo lang.
No.
Guys, pag itatry niya,
Oh, you try it first. You try it first.
onti lang.
Try it first how it is. Frog leg. Yay.
I can't find anything.
Anong lasa?
Walang lasa. Tignan mo, maliit lang.
No. I can't. Walang lasa. Tikman mo talaga yung the whole thing.
Ito nga yung laman, no?
Ayan, nice na naman.
Overall, work quality of work is done.
How is it?
But you know,
Parang siyang ano,
as we're getting close,
Chicken?
then you start
oo,
working
chicken,
along
na
the
malambot na parang, basta masarap naman niya, pangit.
Kainin. Kunin mo na. Kainin mo na. Ayaw naman niya.
Naiisip ko kasi na palakain.
Kaya nga.
Hindi siya pangit. Hindi siya pangit.
Pangit. Masarap daw ang lasa, pero siyempre naisip yung pala. Kahit ako guys, hindi ko kaya kainin, bahala na. Ayoko nga. Bahala na.
Ang galing na ko.
Tanggalin mo na. Ano mo, ilagay mo na doon sa yun, di ba?
Pero lasa siyang ano guys, parang ganto yung laman. Ganto, na fried. Parang shrimp.
shrimp
Malambot
siya.
yung ano,
Lasa.
lasa.
find it on Amazon. Then when I get it, I find out
Yes, imam yan.
still missing.
Guys, sarap.
Then I had to go buy a brand new one, $200 for because I wanted a three-part We're all set. Yeah, we're good. We're good. Anyway,
Yeah, we have a pocket water. Yes, kind of like that. You got it, and then
Nagpo-focus na. Yeah. Pag sa Thailand, mga exotic yung food. Ay, kaya yun.
cross apart for that.
You might be able to go online and just find it, but you're not in a hurry to get it. You might be
Teriyaki.
able to get it in a week, get it in a week or two. But it's frustrating. So that waste meat is like bread. I'm telling you. Not the next, that's 6 months old.
Videoan mo, ama. Hindi ko na naman na-videoan. Dapat mo lang. Walang sound.
The rest of it,
Ito nga. Focus natin sa pagkain.
You're feeding us orally.
when you said potluck, I thought you were talking about cannabis.
Maybe.
So I was going to bring edibles.
Hirap naman balat.
I told you a story about that. Together with the lesbian lady.
Yeah.
Sa LA, maraming kainan.
Mushrooms and MDMA. I was talking about my thing, and then the thing just like went off. We're going, oh my god. They're talking about macrodosing plus.
I had heard about that show a couple of years ago. I read this book, and this lady ran a resort for people who have used
Huh?
vegetarian mom.
Yeah.
One Coke?
You want Coke?
Wala. Happy ka.
This one. This
This one, right?
Yeah, this one.
Which is illegal.
ASMR sa Coke.
Ha?
ASMR.
Ano tayong, ano daw taga na? Mike?
Or maybe that's what they tell me.
Ito guys, try natin.
They're not like
Yan.
Ito? Ah, this one.
Orange County.
Kamay na lang natin. Ano ka?
And I don't necessarily call that one.
Tignan mo.
Maybe Dave out.
Halo-halo yung
No,
lasa.
I know already. It's good though.
Halo-halo eh. Taks lang.
Show them the banana cue.
Banana kill.
And then there's a buchi also.
And napuchi.
Yeah, it's good. Try it. Buy it. Good. Drink the cola.
Ang dami naman yung